I pulled that one out yesterday, but I needed help with this one. So we're going to try to get that one moved. Got it loose. Let's go take a look behind it. Let's see what we got. Well, you can see the first one that I took out. I mean, that's a good sized boulder. All right. But this one here. Underneath it we got more of the clay. This here. Yeah, it looks like it's not a face, but it broke that way. But it is looking much better. Up top we had just the really white. You can see here at this break, it's getting better looking. That's not better looking now. Got another one behind it right here. Scratch around that and continues this way as well. So then, oh yeah, all of this over here is the diorite. And there's more diorite over on the other side, which I believe is really called a schist now. It's basically a wall rock. And when it's solid, it can be black. I've seen it blue. I've seen it green. And when you get a nice hard piece of it, well, I've cabbed it. So basically, even the crop rock here is awesome. How about that? All right, that's it for now.